Eve Air Mobility, a company launched by Embraer in 2020, is on a mission to change how we travel in cities. They're building electric aircraft that can take off and land vertically, called eVTOLs, designed to be quiet, comfortable, and safe. While these aircraft will have pilots at first, they're built for a future where they can fly on their own. Eve isn't just making aircraft, they're creating the full air travel system, including services and traffic management. Their goal? Make air travel faster, cleaner, and more affordable. With a focus on cutting down traffic and emissions, Eve imagines a future where flying becomes an everyday, eco-friendly way to get around. Meet the ORB Nomad, not your average airplane. This is a bold new creation built to change the way we fly, especially for humanitarian missions. Designed to reach remote and hard-to-land places, it's like the rugged cowboy of the skies. While city-flying taxis are built for smooth roads, the Nomad is made tough for rough terrains and underserved regions. It's built to help, not just impress. Wondering how much it costs? That info's still under wraps. Head over to ORB Aerospace's official site for updates. Whether you're looking to buy, support, or invest, this groundbreaking aircraft is worth keeping an eye on. Meet the TX0001, a bold new idea from Oro Design that could change air travel forever. This futuristic electric aircraft doesn't need fuel, making it eco-friendly and super efficient. Even better, it can take off and land vertically, just like a helicopter, so it's perfect for busy cities with limited space. Inspired by luxury cars, the TX0001 mixes sleek style with the thrill of personal flight. It's built for two people, a pilot and a passenger. It's with room for luggage too. In the future, it may even fly on its own. For now, it's just a concept, but it's an exciting glimpse at the future of travel. Meet the Airbus Pop-Up, a smart and futuristic way to beat city traffic. This fully electric system is eco-friendly and creates zero emissions. It's made up of three main parts: a flying air module with 8 electric rotors, a road-driving ground module, and a lightweight passenger capsule. You can book your ride easily using a mobile app, and a smart system will choose the best travel option for you. Here's the amazing part. The capsule works like a car when attached to the ground module, but in traffic, it detaches and flies above the jam. This cool idea could totally change how we move around cities, making travel faster and more fun. Supernal SA2. Get ready for the future of city travel. The Supernal SA2, developed by Hyundai's team, is an all-electric flying vehicle designed to take off and land vertically, like a helicopter, but cleaner and quieter. It's aiming to launch passenger flights in big cities by 2028. With 8 rotating rotors, it can lift off, move forward smoothly, and fly at speeds over 120 miles per hour up to 1,500 feet high. It's built for short urban trips of around 25 to 40 miles. Safety comes first, meeting international transport standards. Its cabin is flexible, fitting 2 to 4 passengers or cargo. Stylish and smart, the SA2 is set to change how we move in cities. Meet the Bellwether Volar, a futuristic flying vehicle built for city life. Unlike regular planes, it has no wings and features a sleek, compact design with a hidden propulsion system for smooth vertical takeoffs and landings. It's designed to switch easily between flying and driving, making urban travel faster and more flexible. The latest model, called the Oryx, comes with smart upgrades for better control and flight efficiency in crowded cities. It fits up to 3 people and measures about 12 by 21 by 6 feet. While it currently costs over $1 million, there's hope it'll become much more affordable as production grows. Welcome to the future of urban travel. ASAP Hybrid Helicopter, the future of flying. Get ready for a major leap in air travel with the new ASAP Hybrid Helicopter. This innovative aircraft combines the vertical takeoff of a helicopter with the speed and range of an airplane. That means faster flights, better flexibility, and smoother rides. Whether it's for daily travel, emergency rescues, or military missions, this hybrid is built to handle it all. It's designed to make air transportation smarter, faster, and more efficient. Pricing hasn't been revealed yet, but high-tech machines like this usually come with a big price tag. Still, one thing's clear. This is where innovation meets real-world use. The future of flying has officially arrived. Meet the Nawa 5X, India's first electric flying aircraft created by NWA Aero. This stylish eVTOL, electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft can carry 5 people, 4 passengers, and 1 pilot, making it great for both daily travel and long trips. It can fly up to 1.5 hours with an extra 15 minutes for safety and reaches speeds of 249 miles per hour. What's exciting? It can be flown remotely or even fly itself. It also transforms easily to carry cargo. With 12 powerful electric motors and fans, it stays stable even in strong winds. Plus, its interior is flexible, designed for comfort or delivery. Built with safety in mind, thanks to multiple backup systems. Plana is building a new kind of aircraft called an eVTOL, which means electric vertical takeoff and landing. Imagine a mix between a helicopter and a plane, powered by electricity. Their main project, the CP-01, is a hybrid aircraft. It uses both electric power and a fuel engine. This gives it the clean energy benefits of electric flight, plus the long range of fuel-powered planes. It can fly up to 310 miles, much farther than most electric-only aircraft. By 2030, Plana plans to deliver 10 of these hybrid air taxis to SkyTaxi, and 40 more by 2040. They're also working to lower the $3.5 million price and begin mass production soon. Meet the Joby S4, an exciting electric aircraft designed for air taxi services. Built by Joby Aviation, the latest version, S4 2.0, can carry 5 people, 1 pilot and 4 passengers, making it ideal for quick city trips. Its 6 tilting propellers let it take off and land like a helicopter, but fly like a plane. Super flexible and futuristic. While it's not in full production yet, it's getting close. Rides could cost $11 to $225 per mile, so a 25-mile trip may cost around $82 to $50. Even the U.S. Air Force is on board, awarding Joby $131 million in August 2023 to buy 9 S4 aircraft. The future of flying is here. The Klein Vision Air Car is a groundbreaking innovation in flying cars, turning our futuristic dreams into reality. Designed by Stefan Klein, this sleek 2-seater effortlessly transforms from a stylish coupe to an airplane in just minutes. While parked, it looks like a sporty car, but with the flip of a switch, its wings tail extend, ready for flight. Powered by a BMW 1.6-liter engine and a pusher propeller, it delivers 104 kilowatts of power. With a flight range of 620 miles and a top speed of 106 miles per hour, the air car is priced between $550,000 and $1.1 million. It could be available as soon as next year. Get ready to soar. Eve Air Mobility, a company launched by Embraer in 2020, is on a mission to change how we travel in cities. They're building electric aircraft that can take off and land vertically, called eVTOLs, designed to be quiet, comfortable, and safe. While these aircraft will have pilots at first, they're built for a future where they can fly on their own. Eve isn't just making aircraft, they're creating the full air travel system, including services and traffic management. Their goal? Make air travel faster, cleaner, and more affordable. With a focus on cutting down traffic and emissions, Eve imagines a future where flying becomes an everyday, eco-friendly way to get around. Meet the XPeng X2, a futuristic flying car designed by Zhang Aote under Zhang Motors. It's their fifth and most advanced version, built for short city flights at low altitudes. Perfect for tourist rides or emergency help, the X2 has a sleek teardrop shape and seats 2 people with space for luggage. It flies up to 81 miles per hour and stays in the air for around 35 minutes per charge. With 8 electric motors, lightweight carbon fiber and aluminum build, and smart safety tech like a parachute, backup systems, and 360-degree sensors, it's made to be safe and efficient. It can even fly back to its takeoff point automatically with live video monitoring from the ground. Meet the Terrafugia TF2, a futuristic flying car that can both drive on roads and take off like a helicopter. This hybrid electric vehicle is built to solve traffic problems in busy cities by taking you to the skies. Here's how it works. A van-like ground vehicle picks you up and brings you to a special landing spot called a vertiport. From there, the TF2 aircraft lifts off vertically with you and your friends seated in a comfy passenger module. After landing, another ground vehicle takes you to your final stop. It can even carry cargo using a separate pod. No official price yet, but it could cost over $200,000. Urban travel reimagined. Introducing the XPeng Aero HT X3, the latest flying car innovation from XPeng Motors. This futuristic electric vehicle can take off and land vertically, giving you the freedom to drive on land or fly through the sky. Its smart design features 2 parts, a ground module and an air module. They can connect and separate automatically, and the ground module even recharges the air module. Inside, there's a spacious cabin with a breathtaking 270 degrees panoramic view built for 2 travelers. With 6-wheel drive and rear-wheel steering, it's ready for all kinds of terrain. Launching in 2024, the X3 could cost between $150,000 and $200,000, a true glimpse into the future of travel. Velocity is an exciting new air taxi created by Volocopter, designed to change how we travel in cities. This sleek electric aircraft has 18 rotors, letting it take off and land vertically, perfect for flying over traffic and cutting down on pollution. Its goal is to make urban travel faster, cleaner, and easier. It's built with safety in mind, featuring strong backup systems, and has already completed over 2,000 test flights. Velocity will connect places like airports and train stations quickly and efficiently. Tickets for the first rides are priced at €300, about $355, giving passengers a thrilling peek into the future of city transportation. Would you try it? Rolls-Royce has introduced an exciting flying vehicle concept called the eVTOL. It's a hybrid, using both electric power and a gas turbine engine. This setup allows it to be much quieter than regular aircraft. It powers 6 electric propellers and can carry 4 to 5 passengers. Perfect for personal travel or small group trips. With a range of around 500 miles and a top speed of 250 miles per hour, it's ideal for fast, long-distance travel. It can take off and land vertically like a helicopter, thanks to wings that rotate 90 degrees. Once airborne, the propellers fold away for a smoother, quieter ride. This innovation could truly change the future of air travel. The Aeromobile 3.0 is a fascinating flying car prototype from a Slovakian company. First revealed in October 2014, it's a unique vehicle that works both as a car and a small aircraft. On the road, it drives like a regular car, but its wings unfold for takeoff when it's time to fly. It can land and take off on grass or paved runways. When flying, its wings stretch over 8 meters wide, but they fold in to make it just over 2 meters wide, perfect for driving. Designed for 2 people, it reaches speeds up to 124 miles per hour in the air and on the road. Real-world test flights began in late 2014. Goodyear Aero is a futuristic tire concept that's built for both roads and the sky. It works like a regular tire when driving, but turns into a propeller when the vehicle lifts off. Thanks to its smart tilt rotor design, it can switch easily between driving and flying. The tire is airless and uses strong spokes that also act as fan blades to lift the vehicle. It's powered by magnetic force, so it moves fast without friction. Optical sensors check road and tire conditions, while AI helps decide when to fly or drive and spots issues early. Although it sounds amazing, the Goodyear Aero is still in the design stage and not available yet. UDX Airwolf Hoverbike. The future of flying is here. Meet the UDX Airwolf Hoverbike, a high-tech electric flying machine that feels more like a giant drone than a bike. It takes off straight up, no runway needed, and hits 60 miles per hour in just 3 seconds, with a top speed of 143 miles per hour. Priced at $350,000, it's perfect for quick city hops or countryside escapes. Powered by electricity, it's eco-friendly with 0 emissions. On one charge, it flies up to 41 miles in about 25 minutes. Its lightweight carbon wings boost performance, and charging is fast, 90% in just 30 minutes with a regular car charger. With tilt rotor tech, it lifts off, flies, and lands with ease. Want help turning this into a short video script too?